Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the battery on your Dell P91F001 can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it becomes a manageable task. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, gather the tools you'll need. 1. A Phillips screwdriver, ideally with a magnetic tip to hold screws securely. 2. A plastic spudger to help pry open the casing without causing damage. 3. An anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge that could harm your device. Once you have your tools ready, make sure your device is powered off completely. Remove the power cable and place the laptop on a soft, flat surface. Now, let's start by removing the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws that secure the back panel. There are typically 5 to 6 screws to remove. Once you've unscrewed them, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Carefully work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. With the back cover removed, you'll see the battery clearly. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. Cleaning this space can help the new battery function optimally. If you notice dust, use compressed air or a soft cloth to clean it out. Next, disconnect the battery. Look for the connector that links the battery to the motherboard. Gently pull it out using your fingers or a spudger. Be careful not to apply too much force as this could damage the connector. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it with the connector and push it back into place until you hear a click, indicating a secure fit. Before you reassemble everything, if you're unsure about handling the tools or the battery replacement, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This ensures you get the best service without any pressure. After securing the battery, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down. Use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws again. Make sure each screw is tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Once the back cover is in place, power on your Dell P91F001. Ensure that the new battery is recognized by the system. You can check this in the BIOS settings or through your operating system. If everything looks good, you've successfully changed your battery. If you don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of traveling. With our service, you don't need to make any calls or worry about transportation. You can simply schedule a pickup, and we'll handle the rest. Lastly, if you ever need repairs in the future, we provide a quote before any repair work begins, so you know exactly what to expect. Changing a battery does not have to be complicated, and with the right steps, you can do it yourself or rely on our professional services to assist you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.